Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy XRP on Bitstamp. So first of all, you need to deposit money to your account. So go to deposits, throw money to your account. And then after that, we click here on Bitstamp on the Pro version. And then after this, we click here on trade. Then right now we have the chart standing right there. And if you click now here on this, we can search for symbol. So now we search for XRP and then we want XRP to US dollar. So now we have the XRP chart standing right there. And if you want to buy this, we click here on buy, limit order, select right here the step in price or the limit price. So we do 1.618 and 8. Then fill in the amount of XRP that we want to buy. So let's do 5. And then you will see here the value. And then after this, we can just click right here on buy XRP. I'm using a $0 account, so I don't have any money standing on this wallet. So that is why this button is not turning on. But if you have money standing on your account, you can click now on buy XRP. And then you open your position on XRP. So this is how you can buy XRP on Bitstamp. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.